Hello, Santana here with Desert Devil CrossFit. Today we are talking about scaling options. So for my portion, I decided to use a workout from our own gym. So the workout that I have is 2 rounds for time, 50 box jumps at 20 inches or 20 inches for the ladies, 24 for the men, 50 wall balls at 14 pounds for the ladies, 20 pounds for the men. The ladies get a 9-foot target and the men get a 10-foot target. The time cap for this is gonna be 8 to 12 minutes, the stimulus 8 to 12 minutes, that time cap at the 12. So I did my little math here, about 2 minutes on the box jumps, 2 minutes on the wall ball. I did leave a little bit of leeway room in case there are more of our intermediate athletes after fatigue and such. That will probably end up in that 12-minute range, but that is our spicy little couplet for the day, 2 rounds of it. So over here I have the beginner. So as far as scaling options, if I have a beginner, I want to decrease the reps and the load. So I would decrease the reps to 30 box jumps, and I would have them jump on a plate, maybe a 45-pound plate or 2 45-pound plates, or a small box. I believe in our gym we have a 14-inch box. So I would have them scale to that. I would have them do 30 box jumps instead of the 50, and then 30 wall balls instead of the 50, at a lighter weight as well, at 6 pounds for the ladies or 10 pounds for the males at a 9-foot target. Moving on to the intermediate athlete, I decrease the wall ball weight, but I keep the reps the same. So my intermediate athlete, I want to challenge them still, but I still want them to reach within that 12-minute stimulus. So I'm gonna still have them do the 50 box jumps at the same height. And then I am going to decrease wall ball weight from the 14 pounds to 10 pounds for the ladies, and then 14 pounds for the men. So that is my scaling option for the intermediate. Still want to challenge them with the box jumps, but we are coming down in weight for the wall balls. Lastly, I have an injury. So the injury is going to be a foot injury. So a lot of pounding on box jumps would not be good. And a lot of loading of the weight would not be good for the foot as well. So I'm going to decrease the reps and the load. So for my athlete with an injured foot, I'm going to have them do 30 step-ups to the 14-inch box or 2 45-pound plates. And then I'm going to have them do 30 wall balls at a decreased weight as well, at 6 pounds for the ladies and 10 pounds for the men. So I wrote a little note, we want to minimize the pounding and the load on the foot. If I am in my skill prep and my athlete still isn't feeling too well, we can always drop the wall balls to a box where they are pausing a little bit, kind of like a box squat. They're pausing at the box and then they're fully extending just to take some of the rebound weight off that foot. But here's my workout and my scaling options for beginner, intermediate, and my injured athlete. Thanks, guys.